This is not a hinge. This is freedom of design, enabling you to realize your creative vision. This opens doors to infinite possibilities. Welcome to our 5th edition of the Best Pivot Door Contest. Over the last 4 years, we reviewed the most remarkable projects. Amazing interior, and incredible exterior pivot doors, and extraordinary specialties. We've seen it all. Almost. Almost, because we know that there are spectacular pivot doors being created every single day. All you need to do is share them with us, because yours may turn out to be the best of 2024. Are you up to the challenge? Submit your project now.